Good morning, friends. I'm Kira, and I'm here just to ask a quick question today. Are you following the flow? In this journey of life, we are being invited to notice, are we in the flow of the divine consciousness, of the awareness of a life energy that is always in us, as us, through us, whether we call it consciousness or we call it God or we call it infinite presence, we could call it Buddha awareness or Krishna consciousness. I don't feel attached to a particular name. The awareness that there is this essence, this flowing consciousness of one and all, that every single one of us are made of this divine flow. And we have crystallized our thoughts, and the mind, the ancient mind, has become crystallized. And as a result, we often get stuck in identification. The crystallized thought creates an identity. And we identify ourselves by our past or by our experiences in childhood or ways that we've claimed to know ourselves. And we are in a new time. We are in a transformational, transitional time where we are being invited to begin to let go, not just to begin, but to actually just let go. And if we're not doing it willingly, it's literally being blasted from us. Situations are rising up to invite us to let go of what has been, how we've known ourselves, how we've known the world, how we've perceived everything as right, wrong, good, bad in the world of duality. When the truth is, there is only this flowing consciousness. Either we're in resistance to it or we're in the flow of it. And the more we follow the flow, we stay in alignment with that which is flowing and moving and always transforming and bringing a greater awareness, a greater realization of the essence of all life. All life is made of this divine substance, this infinite, divine, sparkling light, if you want. If you want to call it light or vibration and frequency, you can experience it as sound. It is the movement of the universe, and it is in a flowing, ever-transforming field based upon what we align and allow in our own electromagnetic frequency, in our own electrical impulse. And so what we're being invited at this time to consider is, am I in the flow? Am I following the flow? Where is the flow of life? Where's the flow of energy? See, when I'm in and following the flow, I'm alive with vitality. I am awake and aware and experiencing every moment exactly as it is. In this moment, nothing needs to be different. Someone doesn't need to meet my criteria, not meet my criteria. Life just shows up and I am engaged in it with the flow. Where's the life energy moving me? What idea, what thought, what belief has kept me having it be a certain way or wanting it to be a certain way? So we want to prescribe reality to meet some idea we've had of the past, and instead reality is showing up in this moment, flowing forth and inviting us into a new awareness. Everything that we've created has been based upon a story about ourselves, a belief about ourselves, and it can be recreated in this now moment. When I open to the flow, where is life wanting to express more fully? Where is it wanting to invite me into a new way of seeing and being? And where does it thrill me? Where does it delight me? See, when I'm in flow, I'm in a constant curiosity. I'm in a constant, oh, what's happening now? What's revealing itself? What is allowing a new way of being to emerge? A new way of wonder and awareness. See, as I live in that, as I open to that experience and that awareness, wow. Wow, life is wow every single moment. Oh, wow, what's unfolding now? And I don't get to decide it all in advance. And I am invited to explore and celebrate the moment that I'm in. And when I'm fully present with that moment, this moment, this now, I'm in awe and reverence for the life that is here with me right now. The life that I'm experiencing, and the life that is, in fact, it touches me deeply. It's like this wellspring of the flow of life that keeps me deeply engaged while I'm grounded here in the earth. I become embodied with this flowing energy of life. So everywhere I am, life is. I am one with the flow. And I can tell the difference because how I feel when I'm not in the flow is I'm yearning, I'm craving, I'm seeking something. I feel separate. I don't feel like I belong. I feel like I'm not enough. Well, we are all that living substance of life that is flowing as consciousness, as light, as love, as the frequency of the highest essence of all, that is a creative awareness every moment. Every moment it's creating anew. So I get to experience this incredible wonder at the magnificence of the divine plan, or the infinite plan, whatever way you want to understand that. I invite you to open yourself to the awareness, or consider at least, am I in the flow? Am I feeling life flowing through me? Am I engaging it as an aliveness that brings life everywhere I am? Because I see through the eyes of life itself. Rather than seeking life outside of me, I am the living essence. I am the living consciousness. And that light that I am, that frequency I am, the love that I am, lights up everything that I see, that I experience. Everything that comes towards me is alive with light, because I choose to be that, to see it, to follow that flow. And if it has a moment of stuckness, I just begin to bring that life energy to it and see how it releases resistance. It releases the place where I've been stuck in my viewpoint, in my perspective. And I instead open to something brand new, a new flowing conscious awareness. And in that, amazing, amazing and wondrous things happen. They happen within me and they happen all around me. And I wish that for every one of us, because that is the new existence of this new earth, this new time, this new consciousness that we are traversing. And we are meant to be fully alive in the flow. So God bless you, friends. Have a flowing, wondrous day. And may each and every day bring you even greater awareness of the ways that you bring life by following the flow. Have a blessed one. Love you dearly. Bye.